PrimeXBT keeps popping up in trading communities, especially among crypto traders. But with so many brokers out there, is it worth your attention? Today we're breaking down everything you need to know, the good, the bad, and the details other reviews might miss. Hi, I'm Andrew from FXEmpire.com. Having reviewed countless brokers, we've developed a sharp eye for spotting red flags and hidden costs, testing PrimeXBT to answer the questions that matter most. Is PrimeXBT safe and reliable? How do their fees compare to other brokers? Do they offer enough assets to match your trading needs? And we'll also walk you through their trading platforms, showing you the key features you need to know. And finally, we'll share our honest opinion on PrimeXBT, the pros, the cons, who it's best for, and who might want to look elsewhere. So let's dive in. Before you trade a single dollar with any broker, you need to know one thing. Can you trust them with your money? Today we're looking at PrimeXBT. Now, in the world of online trading, this broker is still relatively new. They've only been around since 2018. Their structure is interesting. They operate through 3 separate entities. One is actually licensed as a crypto wallet, but we're much more interested in the other 2 that handle Forex and CFD trading. And this is where traders should take note. Out of these 2 entities, one holds a license in South Africa, while the other operates from St. Lucia without any regulatory oversight. Why should this matter to you? It all comes down to how well your money is protected. Let's break it down. The good news is that both entities keep your money in segregated accounts. In simple terms, your funds stay separate from the company's money, so you can always access them when you need to. They've also got your back with negative balance protection. That means even if the market goes crazy, your account can't drop below 0. Besides, the unregulated entity is part of something called the Financial Commission. It's like an insurance policy that covers you up to €20,000 if something goes wrong with the broker. Generally, PrimeXBT has definitely taken steps to protect their clients. But keep in mind, trading with an unregulated entity carries more risk since it operates without regulatory supervision. Adding all this up, we've given PrimeXBT a trust score of 3.2 out of 5. The next thing you'll want to look at is trading fees. Are they competitive or not? Well, let's find out. We tested PrimeXBT's spreads during the opening hours of the London and New York sessions, some of the busiest times of the trading day, using their retail, Forex and CFD account. Here's a quick look at the table with our findings. Spreads on major Forex pairs like the euro to US dollar were competitive, but for minor pairs such as British pound to yen, they were noticeably higher, especially during the London session. Commodities like gold and oil, as well as stock indices, also had higher spreads compared to the industry average. On the positive side, crypto spreads, such as for Bitcoin, were much lower than average. Just keep in mind that there's a 0.05% trading fee for cryptocurrencies. We also checked the swap fee, what you pay to hold a trade overnight, and found them to be low to average. PrimeXBT doesn't charge for deposits, withdrawals, or inactivity, which is a big plus compared to many other brokers. Who is this fee structure best for? PrimeXBT's fees make the most sense for active crypto traders, given the low spreads in that market. However, for other asset classes like Forex, commodities, and indices, the higher spreads might be better suited for medium to long-term traders, as the low swap fees help offset those costs over time. As PrimeXBT's spreads tend to be higher than average for most asset classes, they scored 3.9 out of 5 in the fees category. Next, let's check out the platforms and tools PrimeXBT provides and see if they're a good fit for you. PrimeXBT has invested in developing their own trading solution, a custom WebTrader platform and mobile app. Let's see what they've built. Starting with the WebTrader, it's clean, intuitive, and comes with some solid features. You've got one-click trading if you need to move fast, and you can set alerts so you don't miss important market moves. A major advantage here is their integration with TradingView charts, a solid choice for any serious trader. Their mobile app doesn't disappoint either. You can trade on the go, use different order types, chat with support right in the app, and even do some copy trading if that's your thing. Plus, you can still do technical analysis right on your phone. Now, there are a couple of things worth mentioning. While both platforms work well for both beginners and advanced traders, you won't find any depth of market tools or auto trading options here. And while they do advertise MetaTrader 5 access through their partner PXBT, there's a catch. You'll need separate accounts with both brokers to use it. Now let's step inside PrimeXBT's trading platforms and see what you'll be working with. Here we have the PrimeXBT proprietary WebTrader platform. The left-hand side gives you all the different markets available to trade on. a wide selection of different asset classes. You can access a multi-chart layout through the Charts tab, or just have a single chart on the right-hand side. The platform offers a wide variety of charting tools with multiple time frames, different chart types, drawing tools, and many different types of indicators as well. Placing a trade is actually very easy. By clicking the buy or sell icon, you'll open up this new order ticket, and you can access market, limit, stop, and OCO orders as well, which is actually quite unique for many brokers. A one cancel the other order, which is great for a breakout style of trading. You can also input your stop loss and take profit levels here. There's also some other very unique features. Here at the top we have copy trading, rewards, and contests, as well as other types of market research and analysis tools. If we go to the copy trading feature, you can actually view all the different copy traders available to copy. And on the right hand side, you can use a filtering process to help identify the best performers over a particular period of time. If we click on just the top one, for example, this gives you some very detailed information regarding each copy trader and their profitability, what they're trading, and their trading history as well. As you can see, the platform offers many different features, which make it valuable not only for cryptocurrency traders, but also for copy traders and traders of various styles. Alright, so now let's take a look at the PrimeXBT mobile trading app for an iOS device. Here we're on the home screen. If we tap on markets and show all, we'll see the full range of markets available. Forex, indices, commodities, and cryptos. If we actually click on one of the markets, such as Bitcoin, we can see fantastic charting capabilities here. Multiple different time frames available. You can also see different chart types, quite a few for a mobile trading app, and a wide range of different indicators available as well. Also, what's great is that you've got different drawing tools here that you can draw onto the charts. Placing a trade is very easy. By clicking the buy or sell icon, it will open up a market option, but you can actually change this to limit and stop orders as well. There's also a very useful copy trading feature where you can actually search for top copy traders using the filtering process here at the top. Or you can click on the first one, and this just gives you the performance metrics of different copy traders to follow. And if you scroll down, it just shows you a little bit more about what they're holding. You can see the profitability over several periods. That's a great feature not only to learn about what other traders are doing, but also to try and earn more passively whilst trading. As you can see, many different unique features are available in the PrimeXBT mobile trading app, and it makes it suitable for all types of traders. Copy traders, short-term traders, medium and long-term traders, and crypto traders in particular, with a variety of cryptos available. To sum it up, even though PrimeXBT doesn't offer the widest range of platforms, their custom solutions pack powerful features that most traders need. We've given them a 4.4 out of 5 in our platforms and tools category. Now let's talk about what you can actually trade with PrimeXBT. PrimeXBT offers around 100 tradable instruments, including 42 Forex pairs, 15 commodities, 11 stock indices, and 43 cryptocurrency CFDs. On top of that, they also provide crypto futures through a separate trading account. Here's the standout. Their crypto selection is much larger than the industry average, which is great if you're a crypto trader. However, the number of instruments in other asset classes like Forex and commodities is pretty standard, and you won't find any stocks or bonds available. Overall, we gave PrimeXBT a 3.8 out of 5 for its range of tradable instruments. Ready for our final verdict? But first, a quick word about the team behind this review. Our team includes professional traders and analysts who review more than 80 brokers each year. With over a decade in the industry, they know exactly what makes a broker worth your time. So the big question, is PrimeXBT the right broker for you? Let's recap on what they bring to the table. Since launching in 2018, they operate through 2 entities for CFD trading, one regulated in South Africa and one unregulated. You get access to over 100 CFD instruments across Forex, commodities, stock indices, and cryptocurrencies. Their custom-built WebTrader and mobile app come with TradingView-powered charts for solid technical analysis. You can choose between 2 account types, a retail Forex and CFD account, or a crypto futures account. If you trade major Forex pairs or crypto, you'll find their spreads competitive. Their in-house research team provides regular market news and weekly outlooks with strong crypto coverage. Finally, their customer support team is available 24/7 in multiple languages through email and live chat, and our experience with them was positive. Now here's what you should watch out for. Most markets, including minor Forex pairs, commodities, and stock indices, come with higher than average spreads. Your choices are limited when it comes to trading accounts, instruments, and platforms. While the unregulated entity is part of the Financial Commission with protection up to €20,000, it still operates without financial authority oversight. So who's PrimeXBT really best for? Social and copy trading features stand out as PrimeXBT's strength. Their mobile app makes it easy to connect with other traders, whether you want to follow successful strategies or earn up to 20% in commission by sharing your own. Casual traders and swing traders might also find value here. Yes, most spreads aren't the lowest in the market, but you'll benefit from competitive swap rates, no inactivity fees, and an intuitive trading platform that is packed with features. For crypto day traders, there's good news too. With those low crypto spreads we mentioned and TradingView's advanced charting capabilities, you have got what you need for effective short-term trading. But if you're planning to use automated trading strategies, PrimeXBT isn't your broker. Their platform simply doesn't support it. In our evaluation, we awarded PrimeXBT an overall score of 4.0 out of 5, marking its offerings as above average. Interested in giving them a go? Just click the link in the description or in the top right-hand corner to head straight to their site. If you found this video helpful and want more in-depth breakdowns like this, let us know by liking the video and subscribing to the channel. And hey, YouTube thinks this video might interest you too. Let's see if they're right.